Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Rolex Submariner Ceramic and its rubber B strap installation. This blue Tang buckle strap is incredibly durable and comfortable, built tough to handle any activity and look fantastic. They're a clear sign of quality. Rubber B uses a unique patented version of vulcanized rubber, which is essentially a premium type of rubber compared to other rubbers or silicones available on the market. Now, installing a rubber B strap is simple, and especially if you've done it multiple times like me for my friends or clients. What I do is slide the pins into the strap. I position the pin into the lug and then push the other side down while jiggling the strap. It's not difficult to safely drive the pin to the saddle. As a beginner, what you can do is find a place with light that you can hold your watch steady and have the tool ready. Slide the pin into the strap and position the pin to engage into the lug hole. You want to feel is the engagement click, just as we did before on the other side, and then jiggle the strap so the pin tip can be felt as obviously engaged in its position. Now what I like to do is store the Rolex Oyster bracelet in a safe place. Here is a preview of the watch and the strap on my wrist. I personally like to wear it tight so it can permanently take my own wrist shape, but with the Tang buckle style you can give it more space if you like. Rubber B had other types of closures and collections for the sub that I'll leave the link in the description for you to browse. Now, not only is the strap made of top quality rubber, but Rubber B created the blocked integration, what it is essential for 100% security and a flawless look and feel. They made their mold to be fitted at a perfect margin, making the strap look as if it's a monolithic part of the watch. I was one of those people back around 10-12 years ago or so that was scared to put my watches on these new Rubber B straps, but a Rolex AD surprisingly recommended it to me, and after my first try I fell in love with this brand and strapped many various watches with them. I can say that I have not been disappointed ever since.